Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out Mopar Splash Guards for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, these do a great job at keeping mud, dirt, and debris from kicking up off your tires onto the side of your Wrangler, and they'll fit the Sport, Sport S, and Sahara trim levels. Now, unfortunately, they are not compatible with the Rubicon model, so it's just something to be aware of there. They're sold in pairs for both the front and the rear individually, or you can purchase both for a complete set of splash guards. Now, the front guards are blank, while the rear guards do feature a large raised Jeep logo on them. Installation is easy, requiring just a few hand tools, and they do include new plastic rivets to help get them installed. Now, you will need one special tool, and that is a rivet setter to set these new plastic rivets. If you don't have one, we have them available. You can click the info button to find one there, or most local auto parts stores do have them available to rent, either pretty inexpensive or even free sometimes, so that's another option you can check out. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of Mopar Splash Guards for your Wrangler, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. If you have any comments or questions for us, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen in front of you. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.